Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fold The Shadow by Jayson Merrill in his book Origami Aircraft. So you can use a 7 to 10 inch square sheet of 15-pound paper. So yeah, let's begin. You want to begin by creasing both diagonals. After you've done that, you can unfold it and fold these 3 corners into the middle point. Okay, next you're going to fold it in half and rotate it, and then you're going to squash fold both flaps. And once you've done that, you can position the model so it's like that. Next, you can fold both of these corners up to the top. And then you can fold the edges into the center and then unfold. Once you've done that, you can turn the model over and petal fold the sides in using the creases you just made. Next, you can fold and unfold this flap down so that it's perpendicular to itself. And then you're going to unfold it and repeat that on the other side. Next, you can open out the paper and collapse the large flap so it forms a rabbit ear or a flap. Like that. And then you can squash fold this flap. You can make sure it's lined up. You can turn the model over. Next, fold these flaps that you folded earlier down. Like that. And then fold one flap over. And then fold both these edges in. So the edge of this flap and the edge of this flap. Then you can fold the wing over like that, so it forms a point here. Next, you can fold this flap over and then swivel you're going to swivel this pocket out and flatten it like that. Then you're going to repeat those steps on the other side. You may need to fold the model in half, match the wings. Okay, once you've done that, you can inside reverse fold this inner paper from that point to that point. Like that. Next, you're going to mountain fold these two edges in using that edge of the fuselage. So you're going to mountain fold them in until they touch that edge. Okay, once you've done that, you can turn the model over and fold this extra paper into the pocket from point to point, like that. Next, you can turn the model over, bend the nose down from the edge you just made, and jet fold the model. Basically along the edge of that squash fold you made earlier. You may need to pre-crease the jet fold. You can crease it really sharply. Okay, after you've done that, you can inside reverse fold the tail fin up, like that. And then you can fold these two flaps of excess paper up into the tail fin. Okay, once you've done that, you can open the model out and fold these two flaps together up like that, and then fold them up again. And you can tuck them into the layers, and that will lock the model together. Then you can just shape the fuselage by just pinching the nose. And then you can pull these layers out to form air intakes. You can shape them along the existing creases. And yeah, there it is, a shadow. I hope you enjoyed folding this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!